Hi everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to select database in MySQL. So to select it guys, as you can see that I have five database over here, and two of them are my database, and three of them are system database. I don't know about them. So basically the two first and second are my database, and I'll show you how can you select one of them. And so right now the bold one is already selected, the black one is already selected. So to select a database guys, there are two methods to select it. One is query method and second is the manual method. So how can you select it? So if you want to select, suppose the second database is already selected, I'm going to select the first named database. So let's select it. So you have to right click on it, and when you right click on it, you will see here option as set as default schema. So in MySQL guys, you will have to interpret as schema as database. So database is not going to be guys used as a name for the database in MySQL. You have to see database as schemas. So now you just need to click on set as default database. When you click on it, it will get bold and it will get darker. So it indicates that the first named database has been selected. Now as you can see there are two tables in this database, and these are just demo database tables. And in second table, so if I create any table, by default it will be guys stored in this database. So which database will be selected, or which database is selected. So when you create a table, it will be stored in that table by default. So make sure to select your database before creating your table. So let's create a table guys. Let's create a table here, and we'll see the table is in which database the table will going to be stored. So to create a table, you guys have to click on this icon over here, click on it, and here guys you can see you have to enter the name of the table, and then you can create your columns for your table. So I'm gonna create a simple table by employee name. And now you have to guys create column names here. So to create column name, you just need to double tap on the blank space, and now you can enter the column names here like id, and id will be guys in integer, so its data type will be integer. And you have to choose the type of data it is going to be. So it has to be guys primary key and non-null as well. Fine. So primary key is for pk and non-null for nn. So now you have to create a second column. So you have to name it as first name. Let's name it as first name. So you can create anything you want. So yeah, here the data type of the first name will be varchar. You can change it if you want, like just tap on the data type, and you will see here this selecting option. So you can select the data type from here as per your data or as per your column so type. So now you have to select the constraint for your column, and now the next thing is you have to again create your next column, and it's going to be last name. And again it can be null. Yeah, it can be null, and so yeah, you can leave it empty, all of them. Now the next column will be what? Salary. Let's take the next column is as a salary, and it has to be integer. Yeah, integer. It has to be integer, not integer what it's supposed to be. So because guys it can be it can contain, or if it is accurate salary, then you have to choose decimal from it, but if it is approximate, you have to choose double. So I'm gonna choose double because we are going to write, but in actually the table the salary must be accurate. So yeah, we can keep it as decimal. And now okay, what does it say? So could not set a new data type, decimal contains error, cannot be accepted, the previous value is kept instead. What the hell? Let me choose double. Is there double? Yeah, double. Let's see. Yeah, it accept that. So now let's guys let's keep four guys column here. Now we can click on apply button, and it says that so you're going to apply these changes to your objects. So let's click on OK, and that's the query guys is going to be run here, and the primary key will be ID. So primary key is a unique key which can be used to identify particular row and particular employee. So yep, you have to click on this apply button now to execute this query, and that's so we just made a table using this. We just made a using this using this schema. So we just store a new table in this our newly selected schema or a database. So that's it guys, and let's project this table. Right now there is no data inside it, so to project it guys, you just need to click on this icon over here next to the table name to project your table. So right now you can see that the table is empty, it is null. So you will see all the values of the columns will be null. So yeah, you can add these you can add the value manually here from here. Just double tap on the null, and you can enter your values in the table directly from here. So it's not a big deal. So if you want to see how to enter the data into the table, I'll make a complete video on MySQL. How can you create a table, how can you create a database, and all the basic things that would be guys about the basic tutorial for the MySQL. So you can watch there, but it's a very easy, if I want to enter that, if I enter an ID, so the new row will be created automatically. As you can see, the second row automatically created with null null null. So now you can enter the second, now you can enter guys the first name, and I just enter first name, my first name with mistake. So I have to name it like my name is Anand, and the last name would be Kumar, and salary I don't know. So I'm gonna keep it as 50,000. Fine. So now that's enough, and now you just need to guys click on apply, and table will be updated after running this query. So the query will run here, and this query will run here guys, and you just need to click on apply and click on finish. So now the table has been updated with these values. So now if you project it, it will print this table with this data. So yeah, hope you get it guys. That's how you can select your database and create a table in MySQL. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.